Hi everyone, we are back again with another video, and this time around we're going to talk about canonical tags and their importance from SEO perspective. So let us first of all understand what a canonical URL or a canonical tag is. So a canonical URL is the URL which Google thinks is the most important from a set of duplicate URLs on the website as such. There are multiple scenarios wherein duplicate URLs can be created or must be created on the website. One of the primary reasons to have similar URLs or similar content on different URLs could be to support different devices as such. Another reason for having similar URLs or duplicate pages could be to enable dynamic URLs for things like session IDs and search parameters. Now we come to the part that how does Google read and indexes the canonical URLs. Google chooses duplicate pages or canonical URLs based on number of factors. One of the factors could be whether the page is served by HTTP or HTTPS. As a digital marketer, through canonical tags, we try to influence Google which is the most relevant page for it to index. Now we'll try to explain that how do you mark those duplicated pages with canonical tags. To indicate when a page is a duplicate of another page, add a link element with the attribute rel equal to canonical to the head section of the duplicate pages pointing to the canonical page. Now, if the canonical page has a mobile variant, then this is the URL which we're going to put on. Different language versions of the same page are considered duplicates only if the main content is in the same language. Hope the information shared would be of help. Please feel free to get in touch with us for any further query. You can reach to us through our website. Would appreciate if you can like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks once again.